Hello, and welcome to Panduit's corporate headquarters. My name is Bob Denley, and I am the Director of Panduit's Enterprise Solutions. For a facility manager or an IT director, there are a number of top-of-mind issues when having an IT network for an enterprise space. First is having a network that will support the current and future workplace. Having an environment that's very open and collaborative, that allows for mobile and handheld devices. Secondly is having an IT network that's going to drive increased productivity and reduce operational cost. And then the third top-of-mind issue has to do with environmental sustainability. Being able to utilize renewable energy and drive operational efficiencies to reduce the environmental impact that your facility has on the community. In the enterprise workspace, it's very important that the facility manager provide for a very open and collaborative work environment for the employees. So at Panduit, we have a number of solutions that enable the facility manager or the IT director to have a lot of flexibility when executing and deploying their IT network. First is our zone enclosure products. This is like a central area of consolidation within each floor of an enterprise building. It allows for the IT manager to have a central point of bringing all the cables for the workspace on a particular floor. It also is a central area for all the building automation sensor devices that lead back to the TR room. The other products that Panduit offers in this space is high-speed copper cabling. These products allow for the deployment of high-speed, high-density video applications as well as desktop virtualization in the future. And then finally, Panduit has a full array of outlet products that allow for a very aesthetic pleasing environment for the employee. Surface raceway, faceplates, outlets, all these products created a very productive environment for the employees in an enterprise building. Panduit offers a full array of products and solutions for the telecommunication room. We have high-speed fiber optic cables for the backbones between buildings. We offer a full array of cabinets and racks as well as wire management to ensure that any changes during the life of the enterprise building, the patching is very easy and seamless to the IT manager. The other important element of Panduit's approach in the enterprise space is the integration of the building automation systems with the IT network. So we offer physical infrastructure products that allow for the consolidation, aggregation of all of the disparate building automation systems within a building into the TR room and then bringing that data back into the data center, converting it into IP protocol, and then it can be managed over any network from the facility manager or the IT director. Panduit has a very extensive array of products that are offered into this space. We have all of the fiber and copper cables that are necessary to connect the servers and switches and all of the backbone cables that run to the TR rooms. Another very important element within the data center is the efficiency of the heating and cooling of a data center. And Panduit has a very extensive array of cabinet solutions that are designed to maximize the efficiency of airflow within a data center to minimize the amount of cooling that is necessary, which ultimately reduces the environmental impact that the facility has on its community. Another very important element within a data center is the aggregation of all of the building automation devices. So Panduit has all of the wiring and cabling necessary to bring in all of the disparate building control devices within the data center and then aggregate that onto a JACE gateway where it is normalized over IP, bringing it onto the network so that that data can be collected, managed, and automated to drive operational efficiency within an enterprise building. At Panduit's corporate headquarters, we have a unified operations center. It's our central hub for monitoring our network, security, and environmental conditions, not only for our headquarters facility, but for all of Panduit's operations on a global basis. For our network, we implement a Panduit physical infrastructure software solution that allows us to monitor our network 7 days a week, 365 days a year on a 24-hour basis. For our security system, we have implemented a Jace gateway physical infrastructure, which allows us to pull in all of our security monitoring, our door access, our video cameras, our video surveillance cameras, to take all of that disparate protocol, bring it all over IP in one location to monitor security for all of our operations within Panduit. This central system gives Panduit a lot more control and visibility over its network and its security, and it also helps us to drive towards a more efficient and cost-effective operation for Panduit. Another important element of an enterprise network is the entrance facility. It's more or less the demarcation point between an enterprise internal network and the external World Wide Web. And at Panduit, we have many different types of high-speed fiber cables, both single mode and multi-mode, and various connectors and enclosures to ensure that the facility's internal network makes a smooth transition out to the external world. Another emerging trend in the enterprise space is bringing many building automation devices that are located throughout the building, aggregating them onto IP network. So you're seeing a lot of facility managers take their surveillance cameras, their door access, their safety and security, and using Jace middleware devices to convert that all into IP protocol and getting it onto the network so that all this information can be collected, automated, and managed in a much more efficient manner. As more facility and IT managers are taking building automation systems and bringing them onto IP protocol, it introduces new challenges. You are now having many of the control devices in an industrial environment. So it's very important that where you have a central plant, an industrial environment, that you have the proper enclosures, the proper bonding and grounding systems, and patching to ensure a seamless connection of those BAS devices over IP protocol. So at Panduit, we offer many different types of enclosures that have the bonding and grounding as well as the patching already integrated into the enclosures. Thank you very much today for joining us on a tour of our corporate headquarters and the best practices that we've implemented here from an IT network perspective. Look forward to future discussions and dialogues on how Panduit can help solve your issues and problems as it relates to the enterprise market.